Nakikita yung sa likod na ayan, nagpipicture sila, then nagme-makeup sila. Then nandiyan si Asuray and Ricky, In, Manjin, and Alyssa. And Phil. And I hope maging a success. It's gonna be a successful day for us. Day 1 here. Tingnan, papakita ko sa inyo yung stage. And pakita ko yung mga cast nila. We are the early birds here. So Masters. And sila. Whoa! And I think pwede mag-vlog dito. What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? So guys, pipirma na kami. Imagine. Let's go, tara.
Signature ito ang ito ang tunay na photograph.
Tara. Siyempre, dito tayo sa taas.
Dito tayo.
Legit, tara.
Ayos na. Items na nandun.
Makilala yan. Introduction ng players. Yung items.
Hello! So guys, that's the Pinoy we are, I guess. So guys, nakita tayo dito. Wala pa siya eh. Ewan ko nasan yun. Salamin. Sali kayo sa video. So guys, yan. Yes!
Nasa YouTube na ako, Nay!
Thank you guys, thank you. Ay, inihanap ko nga eh. Ay, wala ko. Mamaya na lang. Thank you. Ano sila?
Hi, idol.
Hi. Ano sila? Hi guys. Guys, again. Tingin nyo eh. No, Jelly. Matangkad ako.
Ha? Yun ka lang ang hotdog?
Marami.
Ano nilaglo ko?
Hi! Hey! Dito. Hey!
Padang, hello. Hello!
Gusto?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Mamaya dyan kami. Ina na. Bye-bye. May ano lang kasi laglawan dito eh. Tara, saan tayo? Sa taas tayo. Hey! Alis kayo dyan! Yo man.
Hey, oh my God. Ang pretty mo.
Ulol pa rin mga
Media kayo.
Ba't wala akong ganyan?
Bata pa rin.
Wala akong ganyan.
Hindi alam yun?
Mukhang tao na po na yun.
Mukhang tao na ako! Kompleto na kami!
Ay!
Tingnan ka rin, tinanggap ka lang sa Mineski. Ganyan nga na. Power!
Power!
Hotdog! Wala naman tinta to.
Ito! Yeah! Achievement! Yeah, boy! Long overtime! Hoy!
Yes!
Hotdog! Drawing hotdog! pagbibigay ng ticket?
Hindi pa, pero
Hindi pa.
yung ano pa lang, simula pa lang.
Simula pa lang. At babalik agad kami kasi nga may naghihintay. May na wrong scent.
And that's not good.
That's not good. So guys, nandito na kami sa 3rd floor. Gutom na kami. Gutom na kami. Atasan. Yes. At mamaya lalabas ulit kami. Because of that muna. Ay, sabi mo ganyan, sinasabi mo?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Phoenix. Ay, yan yung siguro sa Napahardo.
Oh.
Nandito kami sa Twitch Lounge. And we're eating. Twitch food. Twitch food. Twitch live. Okay lang. Kailangan pala maglamos mamaya.
Bakit pogi-pogi mo na
Yeah, best you. In.
Yippee.
Opo.
Okay po, boss. Boss meal.
Boss Neil, sabi ah. Pahing 1070.
Ano?
May 1080 ka na eh.
Wala na.
Ay. Wala na.
Naging cold cash na siya.
Ay, nako. Ay, cold cash. Rinig niyo yun, cold cash. Buti ka pa, may cold cash. Ako, no cash. Paano ba manligaw sa Galax? Turuan mo kami.
Kailangan mo magkaroon ng
Nang ganyan. Nang ganun.
yun.
Ala na pag-asa.
Di pare, meron yan.
Ano man? Cameraman ko ngayon. Nagugutom na ba kayo?
Korean editing. Laruan na tayo. Probinsyano. Probinsyano. Super zoom in. Paano mag-zoom dito? Ta? Ang bagal naman mag-zoom in ito, Kuya Neil. Ito ano to? Pang-focus? What? Nothing's happening. Woo! 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 Kapir! Hello! Papalitan. Hindi, ikaw na. Ikaw na. Selfie! Asan ka na, Loreline? Loreline, asan ka na? Hello po sa Trapstar Gaming. Hello po. Hello guys, sa Trapstar Gaming. Selfie tayo, selfie. Sa club session. Artista, anong feeling ng artista? Sakto lang, hotdog pa rin. Pirma ka daw, pirma! Right. So, ngayon nahack ko na po ang FB ni Gloco. Follow me on Facebook, facebook.com/NeilDiaz. Masay na si Gloco! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ilabas yung kontrata! Good luck. Good luck.
Tumama ang dalawang sa kuna sa kanya, napakalungkot. Naku, pag tinama ka yung dalawa sa kuna, taas ko na lang. Ang sa kuna nga lang, masakit eh. Dalawang sa kuna pa. Taas kamay ka na lang. And after mo, magawa ka ng reputo. 6,000 rolling races. 9 to 14 is the score line. Medyo 2 steps behind the clutch gamers sa mga maganapan nito. Can they manage to at least get some of the momentum back on them?
Alright, come on. Come on, name.
Ay, naku po, nakikita natin si mga gusto at naku po!
Ay, naku po, bakit ka? Lima!
Ay, naku po, bakit tayo ng Mr. Jules?
You guys kick our Chester's ass! That was amazing! It's so quick! You got the answer! Alright, give me some words. I need to learn some words so I can yell out during the door.
We got this word called cinco camote.
What does that mean? Is that a bad word?
No, it's not a bad one.
Alright.
Can you say it?
Cinco.
Camote. When a team got wiped out.
So, how do you say it?
Cinco! This guy is called the action snacks.
I'm so sorry. Thank you, sir. What? Oh, well, thank you.
Wait, what's going on?
What? The slacks in the Philippines, right? What is Spanish? If you're worthy, it's not a hard gig. And yes, you're worthy. You've done it. You've done it. All right, thank you so much. Nice, nice to meet you. All right, we're good. Let's see the tour. You guys are amazing. Good. Thank you. Good. Okay, I'll see you on the road. Thanks again, man.
I know. How are you, mate?
Achievement unlocked! Achievement unlocked! Video mo ba? I think. Achievement!
Achievement unlocked.
It's Lux, you're so big.
Uy, baka naligal siya.
Ay, sorry, sorry.
Pinag-focus pala yan.
Hoy, tara! Hoy! Oh my god, it's Lux. Man, it's Lux, man, it's Lux.
Slack, slack,
Lux, it is Lux.
slack, slack,
Lux, 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 Lux.
slack, slack, slack.
Man,
Slackers, creepers.
Achievement.
Slackers, creepers.
naiiyak-iyak ako.
Naiintindihan ka niya kahit pa paano.
Oh, am I worthy to be a Lux?
I was like, sige, hug na lang.
Sabi absolutely eh. Sabi niya absolutely eh. Oh, idol, pumila talaga ako. Picture.
Music. There you go. Our first judge for the Battle of the Rages. Look at the anger. Oh my God. It's just like Macho Man all over again. Slash is in the building. Take a seat, sir. Take a seat. Look at the anger. Oh, right. Oh, careful, sir. Look at the anger in that individual. Oh, relax, folks.
stop! Make some noise for Henry! Security literally had to go in front of our judges because they thought you were gonna attack them.
Pwede na ako mag-shirt.
Pwede na yan.
Gusto ko mag-t-shirt.
Updates day 1. Chumibog lang kami ng chumibog.
Ay,
At patapos na.
share mo na guys, share mo na.
Yes.
Busog na ako.
Busog na kami. Can I? Ay, ito ang ano. Oh. Mag-elevator na lang tayo. Hello guys, nakabalik na ako hotel. And what a day. What a day for the day 1 for the Manila Masters. See that guys? Then papasok natin. Vela. This is the room sa Golden Phoenix. And this is me. And guys, we're gonna be... Uy, linis! What? So I'm gonna tour you to this beautiful room. So meron tayong 2 beds here. So dito si Kuya D and Asuray na magkatabi. And Vil and me. So meron tayong ditong closet. So here's the door and this is me. Hello boys. So ayan ang plancha. This is yung gusto nyo kumain. Then this is the bathroom. Very important bathroom in the world. And you can see me. I can see you. And I think that's all. Yun lang naman yung room eh. Ano pa gawin ko, diba? So, thank you guys. I'm gonna sleep now kasi grabe pagod. Pero biro. Pero sulit. And see you guys tomorrow with a new vlog. And that is day 1. I hope siguro magiging 2 parts to. Day 1 na to. And see you guys. Thank you guys for supporting me. Dahil andito ako ngayon dahil sa inyo. At wala ako dito kung wala rin kayo. And sa lahat ng mga Trinil, Team Trinil, sa mga hotdogs, sa mga nanonood ng stream, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat guys. And this is Trinil again. Or I'm gonna say it's Trinil. Hey guys, it's Trinil. Peace out. Wow. Yeah.